Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it's your boy the Boss Star back with another one. And I'm about to be doing, I've seen a lot of other people do it. I know I'm kind of late to the party, so hopefully you guys still enjoy this video though. But I'm gonna be doing this the Dollar Tree challenge, like for my waves. So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do up in here, I'm probably gonna grab the brush. I mean, I know I'm not supposed to use any of the products that I use now, so that means I can't use any of my curling Henty smoothie or any of my oil or shampoo or just the certain stuff that I use. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and grab me some shampoo out of here, you know, and I think a conditioner, and I'll probably grab a little brush and a do-rag and little stuff like that. We'll be back, and I'm gonna show you everything that I got once I come back from outside of the dollar store. But alright, you guys. So we just got out the dollar store. But anyway, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm gonna show you guys the little few things that I got. As you can see, I don't know if they're all in the same bag or not. No, we got other stuff too, of course. Can't ever just go in there for the base, for the stuff that we're supposed to. It always gotta be some extra stuff. I do get these mic and Nikes though. I ain't gonna lie. But anyway, back to what, you know, we came in here for. So I'm gonna show you guys the stuff I got. So I got this, the Lusty Oil Moisturizer Hair Lotion. I always use curl enhancing smoothie. I use the oil, and I use what else I use? I really don't use a whole lot. And then water. So, but basically I'm just gonna use this as my oil and everything. And it kind of looks like pink lotion a little bit, honestly. So hopefully this thing turns out okay. I mean, there was some other tiny little oil in there, oil they had up in there, like a vitamin E type oil, but I just figured, I'm like, hey, I'm just gonna use this little hair lotion type thing, because it's like a cream slash mixed with oil, and I didn't want to go crazy. I got this Shea Solutions made with shea butter deep moisture shampoo, so I'll be using this as my shampoo. And the smell kind of smells like cocoa butter. And then I got this the deep conditioner made with shea butter. So another shea butter, a deep conditioner, and it says and co-wash. So, and then I mean, I guess you can use it as a co-wash also, I guess, assuming. But we're gonna see how all this stuff works. And then I got the I got a brush right here, you guys. Man, those bristles are
stiff.
They are kind of stiff. I can see these bristles all falling out, honestly, after a while of using this. But I mean, I know a lot of you guys, you use, you know, it's not a challenge to you. You guys use these brushes anyway from the dollar store. But I'm gonna see how it works out for me, you know, once I use it. And then the do-rag also right here. I lay it down, do-rag. So we'll see how that goes. A cotton do-rag. This is like a cotton do-rag. It's not my silky, so I'm gonna see if this is able to lay my hair down, which I honestly don't think it will, especially right now since my hair is kind of like a little longer. Hair's been growing a little bit over 2 weeks, so we're gonna see how this stuff works out. You guys stay tuned. First I'm gonna shampoo my hair, and then I'm gonna condition it with all the Dollar Tree stuff. And then after that, I'll throw in the oil moisturizer hair lotion. And then once I'm done shampooing and conditioning, like I said, I'm gonna use the oil moisturizer stuff, hair lotion, and I'm gonna throw on the do-rag, and I'm gonna see how my hair is looking afterwards. So I hope that this stuff doesn't jack up my waves. And then I'll be using this is my shampoo brush from the dollar store also. You can see it has the tag on there from the dollar store, so I'm gonna go ahead and take that off of there. Hopefully this shampoo's pretty good. Shea butter. It smells decent. But I'm gonna get my hair a little wet. It'd be a lot easier if I had a sink right here. I don't like doing it like this, but it is what it is. But also, I'm gonna be cutting my hair too today, guys. I'm not gonna record that video. I already have a self-cut video out there, and that wasn't my best self-cut that I've ever done either. And I've been woofing for 3 weeks and 540. Like I said, I know we talked and stuff. You said you wanted to do an 8-week woofing challenge, so just let me know when you want to do that, and I'll definitely try to get that done too. If you're down for it, I'm down for it, man. Even though I told you I get to looking rough, you know what I'm saying, with my hair. I mean, I feel like my hair looks rough right now. It's only been like 3 weeks and a day. I mean, I can do a little comb back for you guys. So you can see that I've been woofing for a little over 3 weeks. Even though today I'm gonna cut my hair, you know, but like I said, I'm not gonna record that because I already got a self-cut video. But it's not too bad, but you guys can definitely tell that I've been woofing. Y'all see that? Man, your boy looking rough. I need a lining. I need all type of stuff. And then looking rough like this, and I'm getting ready to use all this Dollar Tree stuff. So it's like, I feel like this could possibly jack up my hair for real. Coming back down. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my shampoo. Then I'll brush it a little bit when it's in there. Just try to get my hair to lay down. And I hope this shampoo and stuff isn't terrible. Hopefully it doesn't dry out my hair, because my hair is already dry as it is. So, oh shoot, let's go ahead and apply our shampoo. Probably don't need a whole lot. I'll just use a little bit to start off. Ooh, shoot. Goodness, this stuff is gooey or whatever. Yeah, I need more. Probably need more than that. Probably end up using the whole bottle. Getting this stuff everywhere, you guys. It's just terrible. I really like washing my hair in the shower because it makes it a lot easier for me. Slimy, really slimy. And like I said in a second here, I'm gonna brush it, and I hope this brush doesn't hurt my hair, because the brushes in the dollar store, the bristles are somewhat like hard bristles, but they're not too hard. So, because usually I would use this brush for like my shower brush. It's like a soft brush I got a long time ago. I forgot where I got this brush at, but it's a wave enforcer brush. Might have got it from Walmart, but I just use this little cheap brush for like when I'm in the shower and stuff, like a soft brush. I don't usually use hard brushes in the shower. Even if I'm woofing, I don't. I'll still use a soft brush. But anyway, I feel like this is plenty of shampoo in my hair, as you guys can see. So I'm going on a little brush session for you guys. And I wish I could see my crown, but it's kind of hard. I can't see my crown when I'm here, but I'm on a little brush session for you guys. So I'll zoom the camera in a little bit so you can see. And actually, this brush kind of feels pretty good for my scalp. I mean, I know it's a Dollar Tree challenge and everything, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When you have a good amount of hair in your head, I feel like this might be the perfect type of brush to use for when you're woofing. If you like to use a somewhat hard brush, and it's cheap too. I'm just hoping that these products don't jack my hair up. That's what I'm worried about. I'll be happy to cut this hair off my head to see my progress. I believe I probably made a little bit. Hopefully my forks are getting better too. I'll turn around and brush it a little bit. Can't really see what I'm doing back there, so probably my angle's probably aren't even right. I don't have two mirrors to see anything. But I'm not gonna go really crazy with my brush session. Just brush it a little bit, then I'll wash it out and use the conditioner. And like I said, I'll apply my oil/cream that I got from the dollar store. And we'll see how that works. Kind of looks like pink lotion or something, I don't really know. Alright you guys, so I'll be back. I'm gonna go rinse this out of my hair. Guys, so I'm back. My eyes are burning because I just rinsed it out. But I kind of, to be honest, I already don't like how my hair is feeling. It's definitely feeling really dry. Like, I'll make a video one day and show you guys like some good shampoos you can use. The dollar store stuff's not it. But I'm gonna tell you one thing. For the good shampoos, I wouldn't say it's gonna be the most cheapest thing. You're gonna pay a good amount for a good shampoo. But anyway, I'll go ahead and wet my hair up a little bit more, and I'll throw that deep conditioner in there. And also about the shampoo, another thing I didn't tell you guys, I don't feel like it suds up very well either in your hair. So I probably, in order for it to set up well, I would probably end up having to use this whole bottle, possibly. But then again, I don't feel like it should take that much shampoo just for it to set up good. That's how you can tell it's not a very good shampoo. But I'll go ahead and apply this deep conditioner into my hair and wet it a little bit. And then I'm trying to think, should I rinse the dip conditioner out of there, or should I just leave it in there with the oil moisturizer? I might just leave them both in there, that way I don't have to rinse the deep conditioner out, because I don't feel like keep rinsing it out and keep putting more stuff in my hair. Because once I'm done with all this, I'm gonna wash all this crap back out of my hair anyway. Like I said, this is the dollar store challenge, you guys. I mean, we can't expect to get good product from there. If you're an elite waver, you know that's not the place to go. And that's why we say the Dollar Tree challenge. Especially like these do-rags, cotton do-rags. We mess with those silky. We don't mess with that cotton anymore. That's the old school. But anyway, when I put some deep conditioner in my hair, now this feels pretty thick. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of feels, this deep conditioner feels pretty thick. And it has it doesn't really have too much smell to it. But we'll see how this works. I don't know, from the feel of it, it feels like it could possibly give my hair a soft feel to it, I'm not gonna lie, but that could be pretty deceiving. So, just because it feels that way doesn't mean that's good. I don't really know, but like I said, I'm gonna leave this in my hair with the oil moisturizer that I got from the dollar store. Put a little bit on my sides. My sides feel really dry. And I'm just gonna put a bunch of that oil moisturizer in my hair, you guys, because I don't want my hair to feel terrible. I'm afraid of what it's gonna feel like when I'm done rinsing everything out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna apply this. Oh man. Yeah, it's just not a whole lot in there, but I'll put, well actually it might be a little more than I thought, but like I said, a lot of product doesn't go well through my hair like evenly. I have to put a lot of product in my hair for it to spread evenly in my hair. But I mean, the smell's not terrible. So let's go ahead, you guys. Man, especially with me woofing, you guys, this is really like, I just really hope this doesn't mess up my progress for when I do my cut. Hoping that my progress isn't looking terrible. I'm gonna have to bounce back and probably do a shampoo brush session in the shower later on and all type of stuff just to get my waves back the way I want it to look before I do the cut. I'll brush my hair a little bit with this stuff in here. I feel like that's enough. I don't want to put a bunch of this crap in my hair because I can only imagine what it's gonna look like, you know, when it's all said and done. My hair a little brush before I throw the do-rag on. The main thing you're getting when you buy yourself a good brush is the quality of it and the bristles. You know, I could see this brush not lasting very long, maybe a few months if you're really brushing with this thing. But if you buy yourself a good quality brush, I can definitely see it lasting a lot longer than this brush. But I mean, honestly, for me, this is probably one of my hardest brushes. So I might just use this just for like when I'm woofing or something, to be honest with you, because I don't like using really hard brushes on my hair anyway. Most of my brushes are like soft or medium brushes, so I could just consider this a hard brush for my hair, especially with my hair type, which I have like medium texture. Okay. Ooh, hair's not looking very well. It's just frizzy looking, you guys. Ah, man. I want to try to lay my hair as much as possible before I throw that do-rag on you guys. I mean, anybody knows anyway, when you brush your hair, it's gonna make your hair look frizzy, especially when you're woofing. So that's why you come behind it with a plastic bag. So I'm gonna try to get it laid as much as possible. Okay, so that, I mean, it's looking somewhat better, I guess. Try to get it as late as possible. I hope you guys can see the waves. Hope that my camera woman has got that camera real nice and locked on my wave for you guys. I don't know about this product. So, I mean, some of you guys might use it all the time. I'm not, you know, judging you guys or anything. I mean, you can only afford what you can afford. I mean, we've all been through a struggle. So, you know, at one point or the other, we all have to use these types of products for our hair, whether we know that it's tearing our hair up or not. Especially when you get older and you know, you start to lose hair. I mean, these products are definitely not helping. Alright, you guys, so I feel like my hair is pretty laid. So I'm gonna I'll lay it down, do-rag on from a dollar store. And I'm gonna let it sit on my hair for a good 5-10 minutes. Man, look at that cotton. I haven't worn one of these things in a while. Ever since you know, got into the silky do-rag thing. I feel like the silky do-rags, they definitely lay your hair down better than, you know, these cotton. These cotton do-rags. You probably can't hear me, but I mean, at least it doesn't have the real skinny straps. So good job, Dollar Tree. I mean, at least you know, you got the thick straps, you know. I mean, I don't have very much room back here, as you guys can see. Usually with a silky do-rag, you have a lot, when you wrap the strap around your head, you have a lot more room to tie that back there. So it has a little give in it. I'll be able to tie it a little bit, but wrap that around there. And like I said, I kept that deep conditioner in my hair too, you guys. I know you're not supposed to, because it's not a leave-in conditioner. So hopefully I don't regret that. Man, you guys can see it's gonna be It's gonna be pretty tough for me to tie that. I got a little bit of room right here to deal with, but I think I'll be able to get it. Then I'll pull this down right here. Then we're gonna, and once I take it off, I'll show you guys the progress. So I'm gonna leave this on for a little while, try to let this do-rag do its thing. I mean, the name of it is I Lay It Down. So we'll see if they're telling the truth about laying some hair down. So I'm back. I sat under the hooded dryer that we have. I mean, I'll link that below in the description too if you guys want to check out that hooded dryer that, you know what I'm saying, we got, you know what I'm saying, me and my wife use it or whatever. My ears are pretty red, light skin problems. If you were dark skinned, you wouldn't have this issue. So that's the good thing for you guys. I'm not being racist, you know what I'm saying? My dad's black. But anyway, we're about to get ready to unrag. Let's go ahead and unrag and see the results. You guys tell me what you think. So already, I mean, it's not really laid. I can't even lie. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you guys. It's not laid. You lied, Dollar Tree. You lied. You guys see that? Can you see if I zoom in on the camera? Can you guys see? You see all them little hairs sticking up? Looks like one of those one things that you go around your hair, like on the whatever that cartoon is, and they do that and the hair starts to pull up. I don't know what the thing's called. Dollar Tree's products, they suck. So just don't do it. I wouldn't recommend it. So you guys like and subscribe and turn on notifications, and God bless you guys, and I'm out.